In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your location settings using your computer. This might seem like a simple task, but adjusting these settings can significantly impact your privacy and how various applications perform on your device. So let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to your computer's Start menu. This is usually located at the bottom left corner of your screen on the taskbar. The Start menu is your launching pad for accessing programs and adjusting system settings. Once you've found it, go ahead and click on it. This will open up a menu with a variety of icons and options. Next, you're going to locate the Settings icon in this menu. The icon often looks like a little gear or cog. Click on it, and this will bring you to the main settings page of your computer. On this page, you'll notice there are numerous categories of settings. This can seem a bit overwhelming at first, but just take a deep breath and focus on finding the Privacy and Security option. This is usually accompanied by a lock icon, which helps you identify it among the other options. Once you spot it, click on the Privacy and Security link. Now that you're on the Privacy and Security page, you're going to look for the Location option. You might need to scroll down a bit to find it. It should be listed under App Permissions. Location settings control which applications can access your location and how precise this data can be. Click on Location when you find it. Once you're on the location page, you'll notice there's a toggle switch at the top. This switch allows you to turn the location access on or off for your device. If you want applications to be able to determine your location, you'll want this switch to be in the on position. If you prefer more privacy and don't want apps accessing your location, switch it to off. This is entirely up to your personal preference and how you balance privacy with convenience. And that's it. You've successfully adjusted your location settings. You've now learned how to navigate to your Start menu, access settings, and make changes in the privacy and security options, specifically in location settings. These steps are useful if you're concerned about privacy or when certain location-based services are not functioning as expected on your computer. Remember, you can always come back and change these settings if your needs change or if a particular application requires access to your location for it to work properly. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful and easy to follow.